Your question is why you should attend this event. I'm going to tell you why. The classes and the seminars are just not produced anywhere.
Set aside, allocate that schedule to come down and be a part of it. Understand the people that are a part of the industry, and MRAA provides this for you every year at Dealer Week. You're really missing out. You're holding the growth of your dealership back if you do not attend.
They need to know your salespeople long before they walk into the showroom. If they don't feel like they've met your salespeople before they come into the showroom, then we have failed them.
So many of the presenters talk about when we're here, it's really critical to take the time to work on your business and to get out of being working in your business.
And again, thank you for not only taking the time to attend this amazing awards luncheon, but also just for being here at Dealer Week. We all appreciate you taking the time away from your business and your family to spend this fantastic week.
It is indeed my honor to welcome a new friend and to welcome the 2022 Darling Great Marine Woman of the Year, Nikki Story, President of the Great Lakes Mobility School.
This is my first time at Dealer Week. Very excited to be here. I don't think I'll miss one after this.
Came down here from Wisconsin. First time here, it was a lot more than we had anticipated it to be in a good way. There's just so much value here, and it's been a really awesome 3 days.
I think it's important to bring all the staff here and to get them all on board. It's just a tremendous opportunity to bring your staff. I'd highly recommend it.
And I just want you to get talking. And I want you to see how much you can pull out of the person next to you. Don't do it to somebody you already know at the table.
Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Michael Escorza with Valley Sales Coaching and Consulting, and we're here at the 2022 MRAA Dealer Week. I just got to say, this has been one of my best events this year. The team at MRAA has put on an incredible event with over 740 dealers and almost 1,200 people. The engagement, the learning, the strategies, the education that they're providing has been a true value for not only myself as a first-time exhibitor, but I'd also noticed been a huge value for a lot of the first-time attendees at the 2022 MRAA Dealer Week.
I would recommend anybody to get down here if you want to improve your dealership.